always difficult to come and just express something when you have had the people, those who have expertise. So thank you very much to the Department of History, University of Punjab and the team of Dr. Mahboob Saab for providing this opportunity to us to come and talk to all of you. So my topic is a little different with all these people, those who spoke and those who will come after me. The idea is what is re-search, that how you do research, what happens when we do research, how we start, what are the certain questions, how we agree to them, either we disagree to them. So in that case, I hope I'll keep my watch as well, so not crossing the 12 minutes limit. So making that how the people, they look into those certain understandings. So writing history itself, the initial four speakers have mentioned that you need to look, you need to problematize, you need to understand, you need to conceptualize, you need to look with due respect for all of them, blah, 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 whatever you want to work, whatever you want to research, go and look for something. So everything starts with two basic questions. So I hope the people, those who have had this interest in research methodology, which is one way understand that how methodology itself has started. So there are two parts of methodology which one needs to learn. So one way is that what you want to do. This is something with the question, area, problem, or the things. And the second thing is how you will look for the sources or the material for that. So material comes in a very different way, that how you approach them, how you locate them, how you identify them, how you sift them, and that all is that you look for material from different backgrounds, different repositories, different collections, different individuals, different authors. So then you start putting that this is chapter 1, this is chapter 2, this is chapter 3, this is chapter 4. There are different bodies, those who fund things. And the only problem with us here in Pakistan is that we usually don't try to dig out. ढूंढने की कोशिश नहीं करते. For example, अगर आप history के लिए पाकिस्तान को सिर्फ ना देखें, you want to do something which at least 4 in this room we can easily confirm or testify, Irfan Saab, Madam Sumaira, myself, Altaf Saab, that you can find lots of options across the globe. Dunia mein, you name country, for example, United States, Canada, Australia, UK, US, European Union, even your neighboring countries, including India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, or Afghanistan. So there are things which you need to try or test yourself. हम कहते हैं कि हमारी प्लेट में आके कोई खुद कुछ रखे, वो हमारे मुंह में निवाला भी डाले, that never happens. And the second thing with this is, there are certain bodies which are available in Pakistan. आपका अपना PHEC, Federal HEC, then many of the German foundations, British Council, for example, Madam Sumaira has one wonderful project with British Council with the UK government funding. So that is, we need to look around, और उसके लिए that is again a very basic understanding or learning or training which you need to think about. हम ये कहते हैं कि ये possible नहीं, everything is possible. I am possible itself is yes, you need to look around.